Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we are replacing filter in the Family Hub Samsung refrigerator. The way the refrigerator tells you to replace the filter, this sign will be red. Need to replace the filter. You can buy the filter through the refrigerator, or you can check the link below. We already got the filter. Filter is located in the middle here. All you're gonna do is take it out, a little bit of water will come out. Remove the plastic. Remove the cap. Check the O-rings. It's 3 of them. They should be intact. Insert it inside. You can hear the water going through. Use the paper towel to remove the water that spilled out from the old filter. Close it. Now in the same setting you hit reset. Proceed. Now you're going back to the main screen. After you change the filter, you should dump 3 gallons of water into the sink because it'll get all the dust out of the new filter and the system. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.